Welcome to Holidays Around the World. In this video, you will learn about Krishna Janmashtami. Krishna Janmashtami, or just Janmashtami, is celebrated because it is a holiday for the birth of Krishna, a Hindu god. How do people celebrate Janmashtami? People sing at midnight when it is believed he was born. This is called Upavasa. And there is a night service too. After midnight, people wash small statues of baby Krishna. They place them in cradles. After this starts a festival. You may see tiny footprints drawn outside people's homes. This shows that Krishna has entered their homes. Parents dress their children to look like Krishna or other characters in his life. Before the festival, some people might fast 1 to 2 days. But during the festival, everyone celebrates. When do people celebrate Janmashtami? It is celebrated in August or September, depending on the year. And you just learned another holiday called Krishna Janmashtami. Check out other cool videos of holidays around the world, or just another cool ESL video. Go ahead, click one, try a different video.